how to watch Peacock TV outside US. Now, as you can see, Peacock is not applicable on my area right now. Peacock TV is only available if you're physically from the US to stream it, or this is also available for some countries or some region. Now, all you just have to do for you to be able to stream Peacock TV is to download your preferred VPN. Now, there are plenty of VPNs right there, but the one that I'm showing you right now has to be paid. For example, these ones. But there are a lot of VPNs out there for free and it works the same. So what you might do is just download a VPN, the preferred VPN you want, and then change your VPN to any part of the United States. Now, once you are changing or once you change your VPN to US, all you just have to do is just erase this slash here and then hit on enter again or refresh. So that's how you can watch Peacock TV outside US.